Okay, so today we will know about the maths class or math function. Okay, so what is actually math? Java math. So in Java, the math class is a built-in class that is a part of the Java language package. Okay, and it is provides a collection of static methods for performing common mathematical operations. Okay. Like maths class allows us to perform arithmetic, trigonometric, logarithm, exponential, rounding. These are the mathematical calculation we will do by math. Okay. Yes, hello. You can, Anisha, you can mute yourself. So,
Sorry for the disturbance, sir.
Sir, can you repeat, sir?
okay, so what is Java math? So it is a class which is a built-in class that is a part of Java language package. Okay, as we all. So it provides a collection of static methods for performing common mathematical operations. Okay, so the math class allow us to perform arithmetic, trigonometric, logarithm, exponential, rounding. These are the mathematical calculation we will do with maths class. Okay. So, so what is in Java? The maths class is a built-in class that is a part of Java language package. Okay, it provides a collection of static method for performing common mathematical operations. Okay, the maths class allow us to performing arithmetic, trigonometric, and logarithm, exponential, rounding, and many other things. Mean, max. These are the function we can use. Okay, so
Okay, sir.
basic algorithm. Okay, which is basic arithmetic. So basically in arithmetic, we have some basic functions, okay, like add, extract, like subtract, okay, subtract exact, then multiply exact, and there is uh, add, remove. These are the method over there, okay. So mean, max, and like say arithmetic. Here we have that everything will be integer, like what integer we have, like like logarithm, which is double. We will work with double exponential. Okay, so uh, so basically add exact, what it will do, it will add two integer and throw an exception on overflow, okay. Uh, uh, let's come to the example. Uh,
Hello, sir.
yeah, hello.
Today's second class.
No, I think this is the fourth class.
Oh, sorry, sir.
Don't worry. I will by tomorrow you will get video of the whatever you missed. You will get video in our site. Okay, YouTube site.
Okay, sir.
Okay, let's see example. So suppose take teacher sum, and we are doing the sum of two number. Okay, with the help of add exact. So first of all, we need math class, after the dot, and here you can see like add exact. Okay, so if you do, he will ask for two values, okay, x or y, a or b, anything. Okay, see anti x, and so suppose whatever you gave the value, it will do the summation. Okay, 10 here, 20, and just shout.
I did.
Okay, okay, just wait a minute. Okay, so basically what it does, like okay, let me just give all the functions. Okay, after that I will show you the examples. Okay. Next, we have subtract exact and multiply exact. Like that, we have increment exact, decrement exact. Okay. So these are the basic arithmetic functions. Okay. So here, this will take like int x and int b asks for two values. Okay.
Increment exact.
So in case of increment and decrement, we will pass the single value. Okay. So these are the things we. And there is also like what you say that you already know, like normal basic thing like mac dot max. Okay. Here x y. So basically, if you already know, right? So this method.
Next.
So it's a square root. So for square root, we don't pass two value. We will pass one value. And there's a lot of method. Okay, these are the basic, like most used method. So like everyone already know, this will do increment by 1. Okay. Okay, let's see some example of this. Okay. So like we already done some, like everyone visible, right? My screen is visible to everyone. So let's
Yes,
see.
sir.
And like we are doing the subtraction, so difference. Okay. So if you know, like this is we called variable, right? So actually this is like it is an identifier also. Okay. We will know like why we called identifier. Okay. And let me add all the, suppose name it product. Yeah, and we will like multiply the product. So like it is auto taking sum and difference. Okay, like my compiler is thinking like I'm doing this multiplying. Okay, so you can give the random number. Okay, like whatever you want to multiply, and pass this to here. Sorry. Multiply. Next, what we have? So increment, decrement. Okay. So whatever value you giving, it will increment by 1. Okay. Suppose I'm giving 7. Okay. So it will surely it will give me 8. Okay. And now we are giving value here, suppose say 7 will return me 6. And here, so say like maths min. Okay, so here we have what we have. We have maths max and mean also there and square root. Eh, like here we are like max, so here it will check actually. Okay,
Okay, sir.
whatever value is greater, it will check and it will return that value. Like and square root is there. So suppose like say 64, so root of 6. So yes, sorry, because this is square root, right? It need to be doubled. These are basically these are the actually these will comes under exponential or logarithm. Okay, these are actually, that's why it's double. Okay, so I will like don't give it in this. Okay, this is actually basically what we are doing is basic arithmetic. Okay, these are the arithmetic, basic arithmetic, and whatever the square root, it comes under the logarithm or exponential. Okay. Like having like you can mute yourself. Okay. Some noise is coming. So let's run the program and what it is saying. Product is not in use. Okay. Save it and run the thing. Okay. So if you see like here and okay, so now it is visible, right? So now see like adding. It is adding and it is happening 30. Okay, 10 plus 20, 30. So subtracting, okay, 30 minus 15, it is like 15. And multiplying, okay, maths dot multiply exact. So it will do the multiplication between x and y. So here it is 6 into 5, it is given 30. Okay. And incrementing, decrementing, it will increment like add by 1 and uh, what you say, negative like decrease by 1. Okay. Removing by 1, whatever the values. So for the increment, it is and 7. It is here. It is 7. So output will be add 1. So it is 8. And for this, it is decrement by 1. So value will be 6. And here are the max mean value. So here it is comparing this two value, and it is like 20 is the greater than 10. Okay, so that's why it is 20. And minimum value here it is checking 9 is like minimum than the 100, right? So yeah, and like yes, you can do
Sir, if
like this
we want
also.
to print, hello?
Yes.
Sir, if you want to print negative, that means in subtraction operation, if you want to print negative, then values can be interchanged or else.
Like see, like subtract, like reverse this value. Okay. Okay.
Yeah, okay.
So there are lot of way you can do the things. Okay. See, suppose this is the fun part of Java, right? Every programming language, there are a lot of way you can do the things. Okay. Suppose take it x. Sorry, that initialize the x. Suppose 100 and okay. Now here you can do the thing, right? So max math, and you can pass the x and y over here, x and y. Okay, so it will do the same thing. Are you getting my point, everyone? You can separately. Hello. Okay, suppose let me run the code. Okay, getting. Like I am initializing the variable over here, and I'm calling this variable to the max. Okay, I'm checking the condition, like I'm checking this x and y over here. Okay. Okay. So so first we have like power. Okay. Like like it will actually do the like here it will check everything. Okay. So we use double over here. So let's see. So there are a lot of exponential and logarithm component. We have like power, square root, okay, log, and cubical root. If you heard that, cubical root. Okay, cubic root. calculates the square root of that. This is cubical root, okay, cubic root. This okay. Let's see the examples. Okay. So basically here this exact, right? So this exact, subtract exact, add extra exact. So this will do the exact operation, like whatever the arithmetic operation you are doing, it will do whatever the value it is putting, it will do the exact. Okay. There is no error over there. So if there is any error, it will throw an exception. Okay. Let's say like math examples. These are the arithmetic logic. Uh, maths dot cube root CBRT. Say log 10 is also there. Yes. Say okay, let's print this thing. Okay, so let's see what we have given. So 2 and 3, so it is doing the power. Okay, so it is like 8. Okay, the power of 2 and 3 is 8. And like square root, so what we gave 64. So square root of 64 is 8. Okay, if you say 8 into 8, it will come 64. Cube root. So cube root plus 27 is 3. Okay. So if you say like cube root means like 3, we are giving like 27, right? So it is coming like, so like what you say, like 3, like cube root, right? 3 into 3 into 3. So if you say 3 into 3 is 9, 9 into 3 is 27. Okay. So basically the log math E, it is a natural logarithm. So it is a default. It will return 1 always. Okay. So basically natural log, we actually don't use much, like whatever the logic behind this. Okay. So, but we need to know, right, these things. Okay. These are the things. Okay. So like in there is also trigonometric function is there, rounding and flooring is there. So in trigonometry, we have like a radiant, which is pi. Okay, like what you say, radiant is there, like pi, math pi is there. Uh, cos, sine, tan is there. Okay, these are okay. Let's see. Okay, first let's know like what is like sine theta, cos theta. Okay, so these are the things. Okay. So in trigonometric function, we have like cos, sine, cos theta, sine theta. Like uh, so basically, what is arctan? It is a tangent. Okay. So basically, this function will do what? This function will like compute the sine, cosine, and tangent. Like it is actually finding a angle of a radiant. Okay. Whenever we actually working in like angle, whatever the angle we are measuring, we will use this function. Okay. So here double tan. Okay. Let's see these functions. Double, like say angle, angle, angle. So suppose give mat dot pi for angle in radian. It will result or say math dots double A. And I'm passing this value. So basically here it should be mat.py. The result should be like 45 degree. Okay, it should be. Let's see the result in the console. Okay. First declare the thing. Result. Like everyone, please try to execute this code in your system. Okay. So here. Okay. This is actually the value. Okay, whatever the value we are passing. Okay, right. So let's see for this. Okay, let's give in some other shout it. So this value is actually of angle in radian. This is the value. Okay, they are actually doing sine, cos, tan. Let's pass this. Okay, it is coming. Yeah, the value is same. So everyone got it right. What is happening here? Like it is actually like whoever good in maths, they will understand. Okay, sine, cos, tan. What is the function of? Okay. So like this, we will use this component like trigonometric function. These are okay, sine, cos, tan. These are the trigonometric functions. So like there are another we have like rounding and flooring. Okay, if we have in decimal, like whatever we have in decimal, right? So there is like 3.7. So it will round off. Okay, so it will round off and give the value. Like if it is 3.7, right? So it will round off to 4. Okay, so that is the thing we will know. So next we have round. Okay, so like rounding and floor ceiling. Okay, we have for 4. So like here we have like round, floor and sill. Okay. So what round will do? Round will do a round of floating point number to a nearest long integer. Okay. And floor, what floor will do? Returns the largest integer less than or equals to the argument, whatever the argument is. Okay. And sill, what sill will do? Return the smallest integer greater or equals to the argument. Okay. So let's see. Like the nearest long integer. Okay. Next we have floor. So what this will return? So this will return the largest integer less than or equals to the argument. Okay. Let's see some examples of. So after completing, like I will give these notes to you all. Okay. So let's take like what we have here, like long round, floor and sill. Okay. So let's initialize a value over here. Suppose say double. So let's name this variable original value and pass some like double value, like which is in decimal. Okay, like say it like 4.75. Let's see. So we declare this. Okay. Now come to here. Okay. So now we are doing rounding. Okay. So what we say rounding and word and say like say long So we are doing rounding, rounded value. Yeah. Rounded value. And math dot round. So here, whatever I take it here, right? Double. So I want pass this value and round this value. So next we have floor. Okay, floor method. So let's see, like here floor. Okay, floor cell. So for uh, floor we use double. Floor value. And add dot. Here you can see floor. Okay, F floor. And here rounded value. Uh, like pass the original value. Save it and so we are going to print the round value, floor value, and the seal value. Okay, so rounded value or round value is there, right? What is rounded value? Save it and run the program. Let's so here last three is like rounding, flooring, and ceiling. So what I gave here, if you see, original value is 4.75. So it is doing the round off. Okay. So it becomes, because it is 7.5 over here, like it is crossing the 5, right? So it will take whatever over 5 after decimal, it will take the next value. Okay. So 475, it will take the 5. And here floor value. Okay. So basically floor value, what it is taking, if you see like floor value, return the largest integer actually. Okay, so if you see here, return the largest integer less than or equals to the argument. Okay, so whatever we give, it will check, and here it will return the largest value. Okay, so after it is returning the 4. Okay, and ceiling, what it is doing, return the smallest integer greater than or equals to the argument. Okay. So here it is giving the 5. Okay. And it is in double. Okay. Okay, so everyone clear, right? So we completed the max function. Actually, whatever the we have, we already completed. So maths done, right? So basically everyone know Boolean. What is Boolean, right? So what we know actually, what is Boolean? So basically, Anish not joined, right? Okay. So let's see what is Boolean in Java. Like in Java, we already know like Boolean is a primitive data type representing a binary value that can have one of two positive value, which is true or false, right? And a Boolean data type is used to express logical condition, make decision, and control the flow of a program also. Okay. So basically, it is commonly like we commonly use this conditional expression for loops to determine whether certain conditions are met. Okay. So let's see. So let's know the proper description. Okay. So yeah, that can have one of two positive value, which is true or false. Okay, we know. Or false. So, and Boolean data type is used to express logical condition, make decision, and control the flow of the programs. Okay. So, data type is okay. So this is the definition of Boolean. Okay. Let's see, like the we already know the declaration, right? How we declare or assign the Boolean. Like we already know, like Boolean, like give the variable name anything like is true equals to and give true, true. And Boolean is false. This is the basic declaration. Okay, so let's cut it and paste it in. Okay, suppose do one package. A3 and condition. Today we learn math example. Let's create a like in Boolean you already know everything. So the basic. So it is true false. If we call this, it will give us true, and if I print this, it will show the false. Okay. So this is basically what I want to show you. It is a declaration. Okay. So say declaration and assignment. What is assignment is happening. Uh, this is a normal declaration. Okay. So next we have logical operator that is performing like in Boolean. Okay. So say like here true and false it is here, like you can say uh, okay. So like uh, give this name over here, say like logical operator. Okay, this logical operation is happening. Okay, whatever the logical operation we are doing. Say like we already know like what are the logical operators. Okay, and or not. Okay, these are the logical operators. So okay, let's come to that point. Boolean. So we already know the declaration assignment, and second we have logical operator in Boolean. Okay. Say suppose again uh, so basically Boolean data type are primarily used in conjunction with logical operators to create conditional expression. Okay. Okay. So for logical, what we have here, like under logical operators, we have already, we know like these are the logical operators that double ampersand. Okay, this is like and operator. Okay. Logical and we say. So next we have, so okay, sorry. So what is this? This is logical OR. Okay. So next we have logical NOT. So let's see how it actually do. So see, Boolean, say like this is we declared Boolean is true, is false. Okay. Let's see, like let's compare this. Okay, let's compare this two. Say result one gave equals to, and pass this true is true, and we use logical AND. Okay, so give the logical and here pass the next variable, which is false. FALS. Close the. So now what it will perform, it will perform the like it will see the, if both condition are true, then it will return. Okay, if any of condition is false, it will just not execute the program. Okay. So next we have logical OR. Okay. So how we can use this? So result2, take a variable result2 and pass this to variable and give the logical OR in between them. Okay. Is true. Take another variable result3. And here what you do, like you already know, right? What logical not actually do. It inverts the value of a Boolean expression. Okay. Say like not and pass a value like is uh, where it, uh, just, okay, so false, true, false. So see why it is false actually. Like here, this two, it is comparing this two variable, right? So if this two variable having different output, so it will check like if the value of like, if it will check like the variable, whatever the variable we are comparing, right? It will check if the value of two variable is true or not. If both value is true, then it is give us the true. Okay, if any of the value will false, like here it is false, so it will return the false. Okay, say suppose give it as true. Okay, save it and run it. So it becomes true, right? So here what it is doing, it is returning true, at least one condition is true. If in like we got two variables, right? Any it will check like both condition, it will check both variable, it will check if any condition is satisfied, like if any condition become true, it will just print true. Okay, and here like whatever the result, say here it is true, right? So whatever the result, it will inverse the value of the Boolean expression. Okay, if it is true, it will return as a false, and if it is false, it will return as a true. Everyone got it? Hello.
Yes, sir, I get it, sir.
Say suppose here change the thing, like here I am giving false, so it will invert it and print it as true. Okay. Save it and run. Okay, so everyone got it right. Well, like that there is also like a comparison operator is there. Okay, so you already know, right? So in comparison operator, there is equals to, not equals to, greater than, less than, greater than or equals to, less than or equals to. These are the comparison operator we can use. Okay. So I think like, yeah. Okay. So Boolean, actually in Boolean, we actually do the checking or whatever the condition we actually do in Boolean. Okay. Like say comparison. COMPERISON person. Comparison. So like in comparison operators, okay, so let's take a variable, like take some variable, like declare some variable, integer variable. Suppose x equals to 5 and int y equals to 10. So I declared a, and in comparison operator, we will work with like equals to, not equals to, like greater than or less than, this will work. And is equal x double equals to y, not equal. So here what we will do, x, this is the not equals to sign. Okay. Y. So in Boolean say like is not equals to, greater than, less than. Okay, so is greater. Say like x greater than y. Is equals to x less than y. Is greater or equal, greater or equal, x greater equals y. X lesser than equals to y. Okay, find it out. So, right. Let's run the thing. Okay, see how it is coming. False, true, false, true, false, true. Why it is actually coming false, true, false, true? You need to understand over here. So basically, it will check like it is single, like we are using like double equals to, right? So it will check like whatever the value of ax is double equals to means same, like whatever the value of x is need to be same as y. Okay, so in this case we have x as 5, like value 5, and y 10. If I give the y 5, so this false condition will become true. Okay, so like it will check the condition x not equals to y. In this case, it will do the true because x is 5 and y is 10. So it is true, right? X is not equals to y, right? So in this case, it will return true. Say, run the thing. So true. Okay. So here it is checking all the condition, whatever the condition you are giving, it will check and it will give as a boolean. Okay. Everyone got it, right? So basically what here greater than or equals to, it will check over here if like what is here is x greater or equals to y. Like x can be greater, okay, like it cannot be like lower than y, okay, it should be greater, or it can be 10, like equals to, like if it is 10, so it will become this true, this statement is become true. Okay, greater or equals to, it can be same. Okay, say run it and it is become true. Okay, greater or equals to, same for the thing like lesser or equals to. Okay, if x is need to be lesser than y or equals to y. Okay, so lesser than y, that's mean it is true, showing true. If it is like 11, then it will become false. Okay, so it is become false. So if you give 9, it will like it will true. Like it is true. 10 is also true because it is performing equal. Okay. Okay. And last we have like it is already 8:30. I think you guys are already having another class. Okay. Am I right? Right. You guys having other class, right?
Yes, sir.
So
Yes, sir.
today, let me end this session over here, and we will start, like, we will continue this on next day. Okay, that is tomorrow. That is tomorrow.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.